up, guys? It's Maya and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a clean with me today because my room is really messy and I'm going to be doing some deep cleaning because back to school is about to start and I want my room to look really nice so I can be able to, get more stuff, buy more stuff for back to school season. So that's why I'm going to be cleaning it today. And yeah, and plus a lot of people like watching these videos for some reason. I don't know why. I watch these as well because they're just so satisfying to see people clean their room. I don't know, but anyways, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. And why is there like a lint on my fingernail? We're gonna ignore that, but don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let's hop on to my cleaning video. My room needs so this whole area right here is a mess. This is like my dresser area, like my drawers. I'm actually going to be going through my clothes as well because I'm donating some of the clothes that I don't wear anymore because I want to buy some more clothes so I can wear them for back to school. So I'm just going to be going through that. But this is supposed to be like my face mask slash bath bombs and all that stuff is supposed to be in here, but instead I have random stuff. I don't even know what's in here. And over here is a mess as well. I don't it's ridiculous. Look at this. And then over here, this part gets me mad right here because everything fell behind my desk and I have to go behind there and get that stuff up. And then this is my desk right now. I can't even work over here no more. I can't even do anything over here because it's a mess. So that's the situation right now. So that's the situation that I have to go through and I'm gonna clean it. So let's switch the camera because my phone doesn't apparently like using fast thing all the time. So we're gonna switch the camera real quick and then you guys are gonna see me in my room. Yeah. Okay guys, so I finally finished cleaning my room. It took so much work, but I'm so glad I finally got it done. I'm going to turn on my ceiling fan now because it is hot because I'm wearing long sleeves. It's hot in my room. But oh my gosh, I'm going to give you guys the overview now because it's finally finished clean. I finally finished it. I never seen my room so clean in my life. I'm so happy right now. So I'm just gonna give you guys a quick overview of my room. Even though you guys saw a room tour before, I'm still gonna show you guys the finished product, and also I'm gonna show you guys some new pictures that I put up while I was cleaning my room. So here is the overview look. Look at my outfit though, by the way. Okay, but here is the finished product. My rug is nice and straight. And this is water that I'm drinking right now. That's why I put it on this cup holder. And yeah, I just have everything nice and neat. And all my cell phone cords usually stay here anyway because I don't have anywhere else to put them. And I use these on the daily. So I just keep them here for now. So that's why that's there. over here is nice and organized. Finally, I have like everything that I use. This needs to go in the kitchen, so that's why that's there, but I'm gonna put that in the kitchen real quick. And yeah, so you guys already know, if you guys watch my room tour, you guys will know that I have like this full picture wall thing going on, and I just put a bunch of pictures like of good memories and stuff on my wall. So the newest ones that I have is that one, that one, that one, and that one, and that one. Those are my new 4 I have up there. So, and yeah, I'm just really happy that I have that wall, because it's just amazing to look back on memories, and I always like to print out pictures so I can look back on them instead of just looking on my phone all the time. So that's that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm sorry that my hair is a mess and I'm sweaty. Like, I literally feel sweaty, even though I'm probably not sweating, but I feel sweaty. I'm gonna hop in the shower and get my day started. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. And my back to school series is starting next week. I'm so excited. I call my series Schooling with Maya, and it's just so much fun to make back to school videos for you guys. So I'm really excited to start, and I will catch you guys in my next video, and I love you guys so much. Love you.